Hello aspirants, welcome back to this new video. I hope you guys are doing great. So today PGCET 2023 exam was conducted. So in this video we will going to discuss about the MCA question paper. I have solved the question paper. So I agree there are some questions which were taking time and some of the questions which are directly that can be answered directly. So standard questions also there, as well as some confusion questions also there, and even some of the wrong questions also there. So we will discuss in detail. So you can calculate your score by this answer keys, and this is not 100% right, but about 90 to 95% all questions are right. One or two questions may vary, so so that you can calculate your score and get an idea about how much your marks you are scoring out of 100. So let's see, the version code of this question paper is B1. Okay, so let's see questions. Okay, so these are the general knowledge questions and the computer questions can answer directly. These questions will never take time. If you don't know the answer, you can mark any of the option, right? Pratyush is the dash fastest supercomputer in the world, that is fourth. And the second question is, the main purpose of time sharing techniques used in computer is to make a best use of, obviously, central processing unit, that is CPU. Okay, the joystick is primarily used for computer gamings as well. Sound controlling, it will not use for sound controlling, drawing pictures or enter text. It is used for gaming control. So which of the following is the largest unit of storage? It is most easy question, TB, because GB GB you use in your mobile phones, TB you use in laptops, like highest largest unit of storage, terabyte. The use of combination of ones and zeros is the future of which of the following type of computer language? One of the easy question, machine language. Like in this machine language, all the data is transmitted in the form of ones and zeros, right? Binary system, binary format. So next come to sixth question. There are some most easy questions in uh, computer. Next sixth question is the two categories of the software. Obviously for a software it needs application and the system. Like Windows and Mac, these are operating systems. Like word processing and spreadsheets, this is a spreadsheet is separate thing, like Excel sheet and all. Transaction application, it will not applicable for softwares. Transaction is a part of software, but the two categories of softwares are system and application. What does IPS stands for? Internet Service Provider. So these are the computer questions, and the ones complement of the binary number. So it is one of the most easiest question, because ones complement is like just reverse 101010. Ones complement of this binary number is 010101. So next come to ninth question. Which of the following uses the swap mechanisms to duplicate itself? It is, this answer is worm. If you know the exact answer, you can answer immediately, else it will take time. Don't waste time in these questions. Okay, just move on. Later you can put any of the answer options. To move the bottom of the document while working on MS Word, which key is used? End key is used. Okay, so you might get confused, like control key plus end key or end key. So the right answer is end key. So integrated circuits, that is IC chips used in computers are made with uh, silicon. It is made with silicon. So binary system is also called as base 2 system. Like only 0 and 1 number will be there in the binary system. So the base of that number is 2. Base of decimal number is 10. Like octal base of octal number is 8. So the binary system is in the form of base 2 systems. For 13th question, what is backup? B is the right answer. Copying of files to save data from original source to another destination. Error in program is called bug. Obviously bug. Debug is solving the error, and virus is something different, noise is something different. So bug is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. 15th one, Windows XP was released in the year. If you know the answer, if you have general knowledge of this, then you can directly answer this question in 10-20 seconds. So 2001 is the right answer. Option D. So if in a certain coding language, so this is the coding, like in the reasoning part there are some questions which may create confusion, and there are some wrong questions as well in logical reasoning part. I will mention here uh, about this question. Even I too getting confused. I'm not able to match exactly the pattern, because what they ask is which word will be coded as this word. Okay, so they have given the answer. You need to find the question for this answer. So from which exact word this word be this word will be formed. So you need to find the question. So if you find the right answer, comment down below so that the other students can get uh, the right answer and they can calculate their overall score. So next question is of direction sense. So this is northeast, because uh, actually there are direction sense. We have four directions, right? One is north, south, east, and west. Okay, let's assume the person is standing. Okay, okay, here, wait. Okay, person is standing at this point. Okay, so this is north, south, east, west. These are the directions. Okay, so first Nitish leaves his house. He walks 20 meters in northwest. This is north, this is west. It means he will go in this way. So first he walks 20 meters northwest, then northwest. Now then 40 meters in southwest. So now this is this standing point: north, south, east, west. So southwest. So in this way he will travel, like this way. This is 20 and this is 40. From this point, next he moves 40 meters in southeast direction. This is south and east. So exactly in this direction he will move. He moves 40 meters here, and finally he turns towards his house. This is house. So in which direction Nitish is going? So in this direction he is going for house, right? So this is north, south, east, west. It means north, south, sorry, north, this is south. So sorry, south, east, and this is west, right? So northeast. So answer is northeast, option C. So this is blood relation questions, blood relation type of questions. So M is the daughter of M. So let's solve this. Okay, so M is a daughter of N. M is daughter of N. Okay, so it indicates that M is female. So I will put minus. Okay, if he is male, I will put plus. Okay, so M is the daughter of N. N is married to Y. It means N and Y are couples. Okay, we don't know who is boy, who is male, who is female, but both are couples. Okay, G is mother of Y and Q. So Y is already there. G is the mother. We need to form the mother now. Okay, so M is mother. Like she is female. G is the mother of Y and Q. Okay, so M has two childs. So G is the mother of Y and Q. Q is the only son of X. Okay, so X means Q is the only son. So X is the father. You can conclude that X is the father. It means he is the only son. Q is only son means he is plus. Then Y is obviously female. They mentioned only son, right? So this couple has only one male, like one only son. So Y left as female. If he is female, then in this couple she is wife and his father is a she is wife and he is a husband. Okay, Q is the only son of X. Okay, next is X is brother of H. X is brother of H. So H is one more quantity. So X is male. How is M related to Q? M and Q. We need to map with these two, M and Q. How is M related to Q? Q, Q sister's child. Like suppose Q is I am the Q. My sister child is my IC, right? So C is the right answer. So this is how the blood relation questions will be solved. What comes in the place of question mark in the following number series? So there is some conflict in this answer, because you can see there are two series, right? Okay, this is like, this is decreasing by 50, and this series, alternate series, is decreasing by 40, increasing by 40. If we consider in this way, like 330 minus 50, 280, 280 minus 50, then it should be 230, right? But it is 250. Whereas for the second series, 80, 120, like 80 plus 40, 120, 120 plus 40, 160. So according to this pattern, I've given the 160. But if I'm not sure about this answer, but most probably 160 would be right answer. The next, find odd one out. So B is the right answer. This is the odd number, like even number, among these, this is the odd one. So next is, uh, given the following three digit numbers, these are the three digit numbers. Now we have to extract the number and divide that particular number with the another number. What will be the answer? What will be the resultant number if second digit of second lowest number, which is the second lowest number, 385? In this, what is the second digit? 8. So 8, okay, is divided by third digit of highest number. What is the highest number here? 584. In this, which one is the third digit? 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 2 is the right answer. Okay, so 2 is the right answer. C is the right answer for question number 21. Next, moves to question number 22. I solved this question using the options only. I replaced minus with plus, minus with division. So I got right answer by, so I equating this. So D is the right answer. And for this 23rd question, you need to find, you can see here, there is a distinct alphabets in every option, so no need of calculating the numbers and all. You can just find the alphabet pattern and you can give the answer. You can see here, it starts from A, B is left, C, like one alphabet is left here, B, then C, after C, D, E is left and F is given, so two alphabets is left here, A, B, C, D, E, F, F, then G, H, I, three alphabets left, J is written, then four alphabets is left, O is written, then five alphabets is left here, here U will be written. Okay, so the answer is option D. So there U is only in the option D, so right answer is option D. So about 24th question, according to the question, there are only, I found there are only two hexagon figures, like this one and this one 2. So there are two hexagon figure, there is no option 2 here, and there might be a chance it would be like square number of how many squares are there in the given figure, then the answer would be 21. But there is no option of 21 also. So this is the wrong answer, and there might be a chance of getting grace mark for these answers. So this is find the missing number. This is option A, 2. And then there are some general questions like, which of the following program is not run by government of Karnataka National Health Mission? So option D. And for 27, option A. For 26, option B. These are the, like I said, there might be a questions of Chandrayaan 3 or recent events. There is a question of Chandrayaan 3. Option B is the right answer. For question number 29, option C is the right answer. For question number 30, option A is the right answer. For question number 31, option D is the right answer. And expand UPI, that is Unified Payment Interface, option B is the right answer. Which of the following is or wrongly matched? So here option A is the right answer, and here option D is the right answer. Question number 34. 35, option D is the right answer. And some English questions also given, about 5 to 6 questions. Option C is the right answer. This is option D is the right answer. For 38, option A is the right answer. For 39, option B is the right answer. For 40, option A is the right answer. So here it comes a part A of mathematics. Here you can see the 31st term. If we follow this pattern like 1 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 15, uh, what will be the 31st term? So we need to answer that. Okay, so you can see this is in the form of harmonic progression. The series in the form of harmonic progression, but we can easily solve because one is common in all the numerators. So in the denominator part we can solve, right? So you can see 3, 7, 11. So 3 is the starting word. Formula for solving the n term of arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so by substituting about this formula we can find this. So first element a is 3 plus n minus 1. We need to find 31st term, right? N is 31 minus 1, that is 30. And what is the common difference between them? 3, there is a difference between 3 and 7 is 4. 7 and 11 is 4. 11 and 15 is 4. 15 and 19 is 4. So 4 is a common difference into 4. D is common difference. So 4 into 30, 120. 120 plus 3, 123 should be the right answer. But there is no right answer in the option. It is 132, 150, 154 and 128. So there might be chance of getting grace marks if you attempted this question, if you attended this question. Okay, so next question number 42. This is of a trigonometry question. This is you will get identity matrix by solving this, that is B. Then how many 3 digits odd number can be formed from the digit 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 if the digit can be repeated? So you can it is already mentioned that 3 digit odd number and can be repeated. Okay, so let's take 3 places here. For 3 digits, 3 places are there. To form an odd number, every number should be end with odd number so that the entire number will be odd number, right? So odd numbers are 5, 7 and 9. So these 3 numbers are possibility of coming at the last. So here 3 is the possibility, and 1, 2, total 5 numbers are there. Repetition is allowed. So here 5 possibilities, here also 5 possibilities. 5 into 5 into 3. So 5 5 is 25, 25 3 is 75. So option C is the right answer. So this is expansion of coefficient. So for this is the right answer. And for the coordinate of the points dividing the line segment 1 by 2, 4 by 5 internally, then the ratio internally in the ratio of 2 is to 1. So we need to find there is a 2 points. This point is 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 5, and there is a point in between which is dividing the in the ratio of this line dividing into the ratio of 2 is to 1. So we need to find this point. So there is a formula for this, section formula for internal division. That is by applying about that formula you get this answer like A. 3 comma 4 is the midpoint of like a point which is dividing in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Then center and the radius of the equation of the circle with the equation. The equation is given. The equation of the circle is given. We need to find center and the radius. So here already this guy has done this, like minus g comma minus f is the center of the circle, that is minus 2, 4 by 2, that is 2, and 10 by 2, that is 5. 2 comma 5 is the center, and for the radius g square plus s square minus c, root of minus c, that is 4 plus 25 minus c is 4, that is 4. So 25 plus 29 minus 4, root, whole root this is. So you will get root 25, that is answer is 5. Minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled, so root 25 is 5. So that's the next is the coordinates of the foci of the ellipse. Coordinates of foci of the ellipse is this. And 48th question, the number of vertices and foci of the hyperbola respectively. For the hyperbola there are 2 vertices, like these 2 vertices, and there is a 1 foci, right? So 2 and 1, A is option A is the right answer. If A, B, C 3 matrix such that all the matrix are comfortable for the product of matrix, then it is an associative property, like AB of C is equals to A of BC. So this is for the product of matrix. And for the boolean, for this question, question number 50, it is a boolean algebra question. The question is y plus x plus y is equals to 1. If, what should be the x and y value they are asking, right? So if this equation is true, if x is 0, y is 1, if any one of the one, because OR operation is performing here, plus operation, so this is also right. 1 0 is also right, 1 1 is also right, 0 0 is wrong. Okay, so three options are satisfying. So let's see what will happen with this question. There might be a chance of getting grace mark for this question if you attempted this question. Then in Boolean algebra, the value of x plus y of x plus y complement, you can by giving the values 1 0 or 0 1 combinations, you can get the answer. This is x, and the product of matrix, it is 0. You can solve this by doing product of matrix first column. By this you can get after product of matrix, you need to find the determinant they given here. So determinant of A into B is 0, option C. The value of cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x, option B, root 2 cos x. And some trigonometric questions also there. Question number 54, inverse trigonometric question also there. Question number 54, option is C, 2 pi by 3. And the value of sine inverse x, option B, 2 pi by 5. The value of 3 sine pi by 6 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sine pi by 6 cot pi by 4. So the question number 54, option is B. So then the question from probability is also there, like shuffling of cards. So one card is drawn from the well shuffled pack of 52 cards. If each outcome is equally likely, the probability that getting diamond card, total 13 cards will be of diamond in play cards, right? So 13 by 52. So that is 1 by 4 is the right answer. So these are the next question number 58 is from statistic standard deviation. So this is the direct formula, like then which of the following values or correlation coefficient are of valid, that is option C. Which of the regression lines on x and y is equals to ax plus b on y on x, which is regression line of y on x, y is equals to ax plus b, and regression line on x on y, that is y is equals x is equals to cy plus d. Then which of the following is true? So option A is the right one. So next come to part B. So 61st question, this is from the computer, option A. And what is website allocation in World Wide Web, option C. Then traditional LAN run speed is 1 to 10 Mbps, and then multi-programming system is execute more jobs in same time period, option C is the right answer. And about the option question number 65, there is a conflict to get this pattern, because every number is square, like 2 square, 6 square, 12 square. If we consider 20 square, then it should be 400, right here. Then this is 30 square, this is 42 square, but there is no 40 here. Then some clock and calendar questions also there. For this question, C is the right answer. And for the date and all calendar event questions, B is the right answer. So about this question, question number 68, this is exactly west is the right answer, but there is a no option of west. Northwest, east, north, southwest is there, but the exact option is west, because Kishan went 50 meters south from his house. This is house of Kishan, 50 meters south from my house, then turn left 30 meters, then turned north side 50 meters. Exactly at this point he came, right? With respect to this point, where is his house? Direction of house they are asking. Exactly at the west, his house. North, south, east, west. So north, south, here south, east. So the answer should be west, but there is no option. There might be getting grace mark for this question. So this is purely based on sect, like 60%, converting the given number into the percentage, and set like total 60% are vegetarian, and 30% are non-vegetarian, then 15% are both. So in this way you can solve this. How many did not eat either of the type? That is 24 people will not eat either of the lunch. So next, some matching of the following, like industrial cities with areas. Option B is the right answer. Which of the following statements regards G20 summit in recent event? Option B is the right answer. Which of the following cannot be subordinate clause? That is option A is the right answer. And about some factorizations, option B is the right answer. And the solution for 2x square, so you can satisfy with the options also. Then the distance of the point with respect to the given equation, the equation of the line is given, the point is given, so you need to find the distance. There is a formula for this. By this, C is the right answer. Then the equation of the parabola with the symmetry about the y-axis passing through the point. Whenever the word passing through of the point comes, the option will satisfy with this point. So 2 comma minus 3 will satisfy with this equation. This is the equation of parabola. Option B is the right answer. Which of the following A, B, C, D are equal? So which is the equal? B, D, C is the equal, because 5 minus 5 0. If I consider x as a 5, 5 minus 5 0, so x is 5 here, so 25. So square root of 25 is 5. Here also x is 5, because positive integer root of the equation is 5, so 5 will satisfy here to get the equation 0. So A, B, C, D, E, option A is the right answer. So if A union B is equals to A intersection B, then A equals to B, because you can see this entire thing is the union part, right? A union B, okay, and this part is A intersection B. When this can be equal? If both the values are equal, like A and B collides each other, like overlap each other, then only this condition will get satisfied. So option A is the right answer. So if cot x is equals to minus 5 by 12 and lies in the second quadrant, then the value of sin x, obviously in the second quadrant sin x will be positive. So cot x is base by perpendicular, that is 5, 12. So by you can do by Pythagoras theorem also, you can get here 13. So the sin x is uh, perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 13. So last question is a binary addition. You don't know the binary addition, you can do easy things like this is 1 2 4 8, right? So you can convert this to decimal. Decimal is 1, this is decimal is 7, so 7 plus 1 is 8. So convert 8 to binary. This is 8, like first position 2 1 2 4 8. So 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 3 is 8. So B is the right answer. So this is about the solution of MCA paper, and this is not 100% accurate, but almost 90% all the questions are right. But some of the questions that I have a doubt, you can comment down the below right answer, and you can calculate your score, so that you can get a clear idea how much rank you may getting, and when the key answers will get released, you can map with them. And if there is any changes in answer keys, we can raise objection regarding that. And make sure, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. I will upload this PDF in a description, you can download over there. Soon I will be coming up with the videos regarding the document verification process. Thank you.